You're not alone. Ever get paid, blink, and wonder where it all went? You're not the only one. It happens to the best of us. 1 minute, you have a healthy bank balance, and the next, you're staring at empty pockets, wondering how it vanished so fast. It's like navigating a maze, blindfolded, unsure where your money is going or how to get it back on track. The good news? You can ditch the financial fog and gain control of your money. It's simpler than you think. With a little planning and some smart strategies, you can transform your relationship with money and achieve your financial goals. The first step, understanding the power of budgeting. It's not about restricting yourself or living on bread and water. It's about making conscious choices about your spending and aligning it with your priorities. It's about having a plan for your money so you can finally stop stressing about where it's going and start directing it toward the things that matter most. Ready to escape the money maze and step into financial clarity? Let's get started. Imagine this: getting paid and knowing exactly where every dollar is going. No more surprise expenses, no more guilt trips from your bank account. Just pure financial peace of mind. That's the power of dividing your paycheck. Think of your paycheck as a delicious pie. You wouldn't just gobble it down in one go, would you? You'd slice it up, savoring each piece. That's precisely what we're doing here. We're dividing your paycheck into manageable portions, ensuring each financial goal gets its fair share. This simple act of dividing your income before you even touch it is a game changer. It gives you a clear roadmap for your money, allowing you to prioritize your needs, enjoy your wants guilt-free, and secure your financial future. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. So are you ready to take charge and become the master of your own money? Let's dive into the magic formula that makes it all possible. Introducing the 50-30-20 rule, your secret weapon for conquering your finances. It's a simple, yet incredibly effective budgeting framework that can revolutionize how you manage your money. Here's the breakdown. 50% for needs. This covers your essentials: rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation, and any debt payments. These are the non-negotiables, the things you need to function in your daily life. 30% for wants. Here's where the fun comes in. This category is for all the things you enjoy but don't necessarily need. Think dining out, entertainment, hobbies, shopping, and vacations. It's about allowing yourself to enjoy life's pleasures guilt-free, knowing your needs are taken care of. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This chunk is dedicated to building your financial security. It includes contributions to your emergency fund, retirement savings, investments, and paying down any debt beyond your minimum payments. Remember, this is a guideline, not a straitjacket. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is its flexibility. You can adjust the percentages to fit your unique circumstances and financial goals. Let's explore how to personalize your budget for maximum impact. While the 50-30-20 rule is a fantastic starting point, it's essential to tailor it to your individual needs. Do you live in an expensive city where rent eats up a significant portion of your income? You might need to adjust the needs category to 60%. Are you aggressively paying off debt? Consider allocating more to savings and debt repayment. Track your expenses to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Once you have a personalized plan, put it into action with automation. In our digital age, managing your finances has never been easier. Thanks to the magic of automation, you can effortlessly stick to your budget and achieve your savings goals without breaking a sweat. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each payday. This pay yourself first mentality ensures you prioritize your financial goals before any other spending temptations arise. You can even automate your bill payments, so you never miss a due date and avoid late fees. Many budgeting apps and online banking platforms offer features that categorize your spending, track your progress, and send you personalized alerts. These tools provide valuable insights into your financial habits and empower you to stay on top of your budget with minimal effort. Embrace the power of technology and watch your savings grow effortlessly. It's like having a personal finance assistant working behind the scenes, ensuring you're always on track towards financial success. Budgeting busters. Avoiding common money traps. We're all susceptible to common budgeting pitfalls that can sabotage our financial progress. By being aware of these traps, we can navigate them successfully. Impulse purchases. Those tempting online deals can wreak havoc on our budgets. Implement a 24-hour rule before making unplanned purchases. Give yourself a day to think about it. You might realize you don't need it. Lifestyle inflation. Resist the urge to inflate your spending with each raise. Direct extra income towards savings and investments. Accelerate your financial progress. Track all your spending, no matter how small. Gain a realistic picture of where your money is going. Prioritize building an emergency fund. Cushion the blow of any financial surprises. Stay on the path towards financial freedom. The power of planning. Setting and achieving your financial goals. Budgeting empowers you to achieve your dreams and aspirations. Whether it's buying a home, traveling, or retiring early, clear financial goals keep you motivated. Break down long-term goals into smaller milestones. This makes them less daunting and allows you to celebrate progress. Set monthly savings targets that align with your timeline. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Adapt your financial plan as life evolves. The power to achieve your financial dreams lies within you. Celebrate your wins. Enjoying the rewards of smart budgeting. Budgeting shouldn't feel like a punishment. It's about empowering yourself to make conscious choices about your finances and enjoy the fruits of your labor as you make progress towards your goals. Take the time to celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Did you successfully stick to your budget for an entire month? Treat yourself to a guilt-free indulgence, dinner at your favorite restaurant, a weekend getaway, or that new book you've been eyeing. Did you reach a significant savings milestone? Share your accomplishment with loved ones and revel in the satisfaction of knowing you're on track towards financial security. Rewarding yourself for your financial discipline reinforces positive habits and keeps you motivated to stay the course. It's about finding a balance between financial responsibility and enjoying the journey. Remember, personal finance is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, celebrate your successes, and savor the sweet taste of financial freedom. Ready to thrive? Take charge of your financial future today. You've made it. You're armed with the knowledge and tools to transform your relationship with money and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Remember, budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about empowerment. It's about aligning your spending with your values and making conscious choices that support your long-term well-being. Take the first step today. Start by tracking your expenses, setting a budget that works for you, and automating your savings. Embrace the journey, celebrate your wins, and never hesitate to seek guidance when needed. The power to achieve financial freedom is within your grasp. Are you ready to seize it?